Two e-commerce giants battling for your online business, Shopify vs WooCommerce. Which one really delivers? On the left, Shopify, the all-in-one, lightning-fast shop builder. And on the right, WooCommerce, the king of WordPress flexibility. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Alright, let's map out the main battlegrounds before we start this store war. We're comparing based on pricing, ease of use, design and customization, apps and integrations, performance and scalability, security and support, SEO and content, and yeah, multi-channel and global sales. Basically everything you'd want to know before you hit launch. Let's talk money. Shopify keeps things pretty straightforward with monthly plans, your hosting's all rolled in, so honestly, no nasty surprise bills or weird security add-ons. But you gotta watch out. If you start piling on apps or premium themes, whoa, the costs can creep up. And those transaction fees, they pop up unless you're all in on Shopify payments. Now WooCommerce. The base plugin is totally free, which sounds amazing, especially if you don't want to commit right away. You get to cherry-pick affordable hosting or themes, and honestly, if you're scrappy, you can keep costs down. But once you start needing serious hosting or hire a dev, yup, prices get slippery. Oh, and if your whole site blows up overnight, those surprise developer bills are real. The verdict here's pretty clear. WooCommerce takes the win for pricing just 'cause you've got more options. Next up, ease of use. Shopify's kind of famous for letting you launch a store in like 15 minutes. No code, no drama, just fill in some boxes, upload your products, and boom, you're basically done. Their dashboard pulls all your tools into one spot, which feels super beginner-friendly. Sure, you can't really get crazy with custom stuff without bumping into their limits. With WooCommerce, you're stepping into the wild world of WordPress. If you're already comfy there, you've got unlimited freedom. Like you can tweak every feature, hack the code, do whatever. But on the flip side, newbies, oof, setting up hosting, installing plugins, and surviving that WordPress maze. Not for the faint of heart. Between the two, Shopify's definitely the easier launch pad. Winner for ease of use, Shopify. Okay, let's get visual design and customization. Shopify comes with a library of more than 200 themes, all designed to make your store look slick and optimized for selling. Pretty nice, and it's easy to get something pro up and running. But when you want to go totally off script, you bump into their structure limits. Now WooCommerce on WordPress, this is a designer's playground. You get thousands of themes, plus if you know how, you can dig into the full code and do pretty much anything. Wanna make your store look like a spaceship or a Pinterest board? Go for it. Only thing is, quality's all over the map, and sometimes you spend more time fixing stuff than actually selling. Still, with infinite possibilities, WooCommerce edges out the win here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Shopify powers over 4 million businesses worldwide? Wild. But WooCommerce, it actually runs 29% of all online stores. So next time you stumble into a random shop online, odds are good at WooCommerce hiding in the background. Moving on, apps and integrations. Shopify has over 8,000 e-commerce apps, that's nuts. Adding new stuff is usually just click install and done, and most apps fit right in without drama. Only catch, those apps often come with recurring fees, so watch your wallet. On WooCommerce, you've got 900 plus official extensions, but wait for it, 59,000 plus WordPress plugins. You want any feature, any weird integration, you'll find it. But stacking tons of plugins can get confusing fast, and things might break if you're not careful. Honestly, both platforms are kind of wild here, so I'm calling this one a tie. Let's talk speed and growth, performance and scalability. Shopify, you get fast load times, usually around 309 milliseconds, which is pretty zippy. Plus, they handle all the behind-the-scenes stuff, security, scaling, updates. You never have to touch a server. But yeah, if Shopify's servers hiccup, you're stuck waiting. WooCommerce, you're in control. Pick better hosting, scale up, upgrade whenever. If you geek out on optimization, you can get impressive results. But the average load time is noticeably slower, like 776 milliseconds unless you work some magic. And you're the one babysitting performance and security. When it comes to reliability and raw speed, Shopify pulls ahead here. Now, security and support, big deal if you're selling stuff. Shopify does automatic SSL, handles PCI DSS compliance, and even runs fraud analysis. Basically, all the freaky security stuff is handled behind the scenes. Plus, you get 24/7 live support from real e-commerce experts, which is awesome at 2am. The trade-off is, you don't get much control over how your server works. WooCommerce, on the other hand, gives you full control. You pick your own security tools, go as hardcore as you want, and the community's massive, so there's always a guide somewhere. But official support? That really depends on your host. If something goes wrong, sometimes you're emailing a stranger. And you've got to manage SSL, PCI backups, so if you love DIY, cool. If not, Shopify takes the cake. Yup, Shopify wins security and support. On to SEO and content for all you Google nerds. Shopify's got solid built-in SEO tools and your site's automatically mobile-friendly, plus you get sitemaps out of the box. The only hesitation? There's less room for custom wizardry with URLs and metadata. WooCommerce, this is WordPress land, and you've got access to killer SEO plugins like Yoast, endless meta customizations, crazy fast pages if you tune, all the content tools you could want. But it's a rabbit hole. Great SEO always takes serious setup. For folks into that, WooCommerce grabs the SEO win. Last stop, multi-channel and global sales. Shopify is surprisingly awesome here. You can connect your store to Amazon, Instagram, TikTok, eBay, Pinterest, and more straight out of the gate. Ready for global shipping right away since carriers are built in. Only hang up, want hardcore localization or fancy international stuff, you might shell out for premium apps. WooCommerce lets you connect almost anywhere too, but you're doing a lot more of the grunt work, finding the right plugins, setting up integrations, and working through all those weird compatibility quirks. If you want turnkey global sales without headaches, Shopify pulls ahead. Let's plot this out for you. Imagine a radar chart with each category stretched out like superhero arms. Shopify's edges are sharp where it counts: ease of use, speed, security, multi-channel strength. WooCommerce flexes hard on pricing, design, and that juicy SEO power. You definitely see different personalities here. So here's my honest take. If you want to launch super fast, not have to sweat all the tech stuff, and count on someone to catch you if things break, Shopify is hands down the smarter pick for most people. It's beginner-friendly, robust, and just handles the boring stuff. But if you live and breathe WordPress, or you get excited about designing everything yourself and hacking every little piece, WooCommerce is a dream. It's basically limitless if you've got the patience. Got more questions? Want to go deeper on store migration? Drop your thoughts below. You can totally ask for a custom comparison or even a step-by-step migration checklist. I'll see you in the comments.